Okay, quick question. Have you ever sat at a Baccarat table, seen a stack of chips on some weird side bet like Dragon or Panda, and thought, wait, what even is that? Yeah, me too. Most people think Baccarat is just a rich James Bond guy game with no real strategy. Totally false. Today we're breaking down the Dragon bonus and Panda bonus side bets. By the end of this video, you'll understand the actual math behind these bets better than half the people playing them at the casino right now. Stick around, because the last part of this video reveals the one mistake that costs players the most money, and it's shockingly simple to avoid. Alright, let's start simple. Baccarat. You say it Baccarat, not Baccarat. Don't be that person at the table. The entire game in one sentence. Two hands get dealt, player and banker. Whichever hand's cards add up closest to 9 wins. That's it. You're not even playing against the dealer directly, you're just betting on which hand wins. Player, banker, or a tie. Casinos know regular Baccarat is kind of slow, low house edge, not a lot of drama. So they added side bets to spice things up. That's where Dragon bonus and Panda bonus come in. Same base game, way more flavor, way more risk, like hot sauce on a plain dish. Bigger potential payouts mean bigger house edge hiding underneath. More excitement equals worse math for you. That's exactly what we're unpacking today. Real quick, before we dive into the juicy math, if you're new here, this channel breaks down games, board games, card games, casino games, all of it, into simple, no-jargon explanations. If that sounds like your kind of channel, hit subscribe. And if this video's helping you out, drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Okay, back to the math. Let's talk Dragon bonus first, since it's the more popular one. You bet on player or banker winning by a big margin. Here's the payout table. Win by 9 or more points pays 30 to 1. Win by 8 points pays 10 to 1. Win by 7 points pays 6 to 1. Win by 6 points pays 4 to 1. Win by 5 points pays 2 to 1. Win by 4 points pays 1 to 1. And a natural winner pays 1 to 1 too. Sounds exciting, right? 30 to 1. Turn 10 bucks into 300. But the house edge on Dragon bonus is around 2.7% to 9.4%. Way higher than regular Baccarat's 1% to 1.2%. Betting Dragon on player actually has a better house edge than betting Dragon on banker, around 2.7% versus 9.4%, because player hands tend to win by bigger margins more often, even though player wins less frequently overall. Now Panda bonus. It's a bet that the player hand wins with a 3-card total of exactly 8, while banker's total comes in lower. It typically pays 25 to 1. Sounds amazing, right? But this is a very narrow condition. The house edge on Panda bonus sits around 4% to 10%, depending on the casino. The pattern here: the bigger and shinier the payout number, the rarer the event has to be. It's not charity, it's just probability in a costume. Let's break down why these outcomes are so rare. In regular Baccarat, banker wins about 45.8% of hands, player about 44.6%, and tie about 9.6%. Dragon bonus needs a big winning margin on top of just winning. Big margins are rare because most Baccarat hands are actually pretty close. Panda bonus needs player to draw a 3rd card and land exactly on 8, while banker stays under 8, a genuine needle in a haystack moment. This is the same principle behind why a royal flush in poker pays more than a pair. Rarity dictates reward, and our brains just see 30 to 1 and go, jackpot. So, should you play Dragon or Panda bonus bets? As entertainment, sure. Standard banker or player bets have one of the lowest house edges of any casino game, near 1%. Side bets like Dragon and Panda carry a house edge often 3 to 8 times higher, just for the chance at a bigger, flashy win. Here's the mistake most players make. They treat the payout number as the value of the bet, without asking how often that outcome happens. A 30-to-1 payout on something that happens 1 in 40 hands is actually a losing bet on average. Payout size means nothing without frequency attached. Baccarat at its core is beautifully simple, closest to 9 wins. Dragon and Panda are the spicy toppings casinos added to make things feel bigger. Next time you see Dragon bonus at a table or in a movie, you'll know exactly what's going on and the math behind why it's exciting but risky. Alright, that's Dragon and Panda bonus bets fully broken down, math and all. If this helped you actually understand Baccarat side bets for the first time, do me a huge favor, drop a comment and let me know which side bet surprised you the most. Hit that like button so more people can find this. Share it with a friend who loves casino games or just loves learning random cool stuff. And subscribe if you want more how games actually work breakdowns like this one. I've got more casino games, board games, and card games coming your way, so I'll see you in the next video.